Hello everybody, it's Pat here. If you're new to this channel, well, I do tech reviews. I talk about Australian NBN, the internet, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So if you like that stuff, subscribe, give us a like, and let me know what you guys want to hear about. In today's video, I want to talk about the current state of NBN Co in this month, April, and what they've actually gotten up to. There's been some issues with the speeds, there's been some issues with the plans, and we're going to talk about that in this video. So first of all, NBN Co has revealed that 183,000 fiber to the node, that's the node that's outside your house and you're gonna run that nice little copper cable to, are not hitting the minimum peak speeds of 25 megabits. Basically the second lowest plan. This is equivalent to about 7.6% of the company's 2.4 million active fiber to the node services, which is interesting that only that much people are actually connected to that node system. Actually, back in August 2017, NBN Co first said that 54,000 fiber to the node users couldn't achieve speeds over 25 megabits per second, equal to about 6% of all active users, and that was last year. NBN Co has also said that all premises must be capable of peak download speeds of at least 25 megabits. So if you're getting anything lower than that and you're paying for that much, and during maybe off-peak times you're still not getting that, make sure you contact your ISP and they should follow this up with NBN Co. Premises that can't achieve that with this current access technology, which is that multi-mix technology mix, it's crap. Let's just be clear about that. Using old 10-year or 15-year-old copper cables to try and get more out of it is just not good at all. And I've talked about this in my past videos, so please check that out. This technology will likely receive a different type of connection in order for NBN Co to meet its obligation. So they'll probably end up upgrading it, completely removing it, or putting you on a completely different type of technology, which could probably be wireless or maybe even satellite. So NBN Co has also said the number of users with slow fiber to the node services have other existing issues that cause network degradation, such as in-home wiring, which we've talked about in the past. These can all affect the attainable speeds. So there's a lot of things that NBN Co has to actually deal with, not just what's outside your door, but also what's in your home. Now, NBN Co is also blaming modems. They estimate that approximately 1.4% of fiber to the node services have modems that underperform on attainable download speeds, and approximately 0.3% of those fiber to the node services have modem firmware model combinations that underperform on attainable upload speeds. What that means is they're not telling you which models with specific firmwares are underperforming versus the actual modem type. So be careful on that. I'm hoping to do a video very soon about which modem gets the best speed for a fiber to the node connection. The only problem is I have to go around purchasing all these modems and setting them all up, and it's a long process. I'll get through that fairly soon. Give us a like and a comment below if you'd like to see that type of video. So on the other hand, NBN Co has seen a massive jump in the numbers of users in need of complex custom remediation works for their services, up from 52 in April last year to 723 today. These are basically the hardest cases, the hardest to connect, and these services will need to be completely rebuilt. NBN Co actually has said that custom remediation works are complex and can involve the replacement of long cable runs. Those old copper lines, I mean, who would have thought, right? And it could involve additional construction work or even a complete redesign to another technology. So in saying that, there are now delays caused by all this. Obviously, NBN Co has to go back to some people, replace their cables, fix things, or set up new premises with basically new technology or different technology than what was expected in that area. Now, there is no upper limit on how long NBN Co could take to fix these issues or fix the old ones or put the new ones in. They've actually said this time frame allows NBN Co to conduct detailed investigations and custom design and build works on a case-by-case basis to remediate these premises. And the thing is, they're not wrong. It takes a bit of time to design, build, and actually put something in. However, if they just stuck to NBN to the fiber, or basically fiber to the home, they would have just had one plan, and that is fiber to the home, simplifying and expediting the whole process. NBN Co's technicians are now missing about 470 appointments a day though in about 1/3 of those cases, the technician is early or late, but still completes the work. The network builder has said that between the 1st of July 2018 and the 20th February this year, the total number of missed technicians' appointments was 114,000, a shade under than 470 a day. The last time NBN Co reported these numbers for the financial year ended June 30th last year, it missed 157,000 appointments, which is about 430 a day. And NBN Co classifies these missed appointments as situations where the technician doesn't attend the premises within an agreed window of time. These windows are fairly broad, about 4.5 hours to 5 hours, and sometimes the actual installation could take about 8 hours. So my friends, so far it's still looking pretty problematic. April 2019, we're still having a lot of issues with installations, and some of the areas that are being now installed are actually much more difficult for NBN Co to achieve. Let me know in the comments below, are you one of the places where you guys are taking so long to be installed? Are you on a street where the other side has it and you don't? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. I'm actually thinking about putting together a video of the stuff that people go through to deal with the NBN. Maybe even a phone interview. We'll see what happens. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll be hearing from you in the comments below, I'm sure. Thanks, and see you in another video.